Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are very well. Welcome back to my channel, The Cozy Loop, and welcome back to another an interesting video. In this video, you watch very beautiful baby shoes, crochet shoes designs ideas. All designs are very unique. I hope you like it. This design, if you like crochet work, definitely you love it and also like it. Okay, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And if you like my video, so please like it and share it. Thank you so much for watching my video.